Izinto bafethu azimhambeli kahle uThemba Zwane. I-situation yakhe ne-Sundowns ithense kakhulu and akukho mnandi. Kuthiwa Themba Zwane's contract talks are on hold. Yabo, iy'ngxoxo zikaThemba Zwane zokuthi ku-renew i-contract yakhe zisamisiwe kancane because menikhumbula kahle uThemba Zwane umdlali odlalela i-Sundowns walimala last year ngosikhathi bedlala against i-Congo Brazzaville. Ekulimaleni kwakhe against i-Congo Brazzaville lokhu kwamdala ukuthi ahlale. Yabo, ahlale isikhathi eside kakhulu. I don't think wamdlalela uMiguel Cardoso since afika uMiguel Cardoso. uThemba Zwane akaze ayidlalele iMamelodi Sundowns since yabo kwahamba uManqoba Mnqithi. Gcina nje ukudlalela uManqoba Mnqithi. Kuthiwa lana Mamelodi Sundowns have reportedly paused contract negotiations with the star midfielder Themba Zwane, casting uncertainty over his future at the club. Yabo. Kuthiwa this comes as the player is yet to make his return to the field following an injury sustained in October. Walimala last year in October. Mshishi has been sidelined by the Achilles injury for the last 5 months after undergoing surgery. Yabo. Kumele sikhumbule ukuthi uThemba Zwane umshishi una 35 years old. Umshishi una 35 years old. Next year uyothi 36. So the 35-year-old sustained the injury during the international duty with Bafana Bafana in the 2025 qualifier against the Congo Brazzaville. He was resumed training in Yabola Paraguay Sundowns and is expected to participate in friendly matches before returning to competitive play. Yabo. So i-contract yakhe uZwane neMamelodi Sundowns kuthiwa izo-expire ngoJune walonyaka lo. Mi-expire ngoJune walonyaka lo angaba i-free agent. Any team kwi-Betway Premiership ingakwazi ukumsayina. Kuthiwa iMamelodi Sundowns ayifuni ukusheshe i-renew i-contract yakhe because what if i-fitness yakhe ayibi right? What if uyabuyela futhi kwi-injury? Because lo mdlali lo una 35. Yabo, njobe na 35 nje ukukhokhela umdlali ongadlali and iminyaka yakhe isimshiya ngaba i-risk kakhulu. Yabo, ngabe i-risk kakhulu on i-side le-Sundowns, ngabe i-risk le. Yabo, angifuni nabo ukumbona umshishi ehamba kwi-Sundowns because the guy he has done a lot kwi-Sundowns. He has won a lot kwi-Mamelodi Sundowns. Ungambiza as a club legend. Yabo, you can call him a club legend but ke izinto ezikanje yabo awukwazi ukuyivimba mfethu. Awukwazi ukuyivimba. Ma-injury are part of the game. Injuries are part of the game, and the fact that walimala ngosikhathi ehambile kuBafana Bafana, many players asezonqaba ukuya kuBafana Bafana because some of the players they get injured maybe yebo. Even uSithole menikhumbula kahle uSithole wedlalela kuBafana Bafana walimala I think sadlala neSudan if I'm not mistaken. Yebo. Kuthiwa according to the sources close to the situation, Sundowns are keen to see Zwane prove his continued value to the team after a lengthy layoff. The club's management is believed to be prioritizing his full recovery and a demonstration of his ability to maintain his high standards of play. The club want to see him back on the pitch and performing at his best before making any decisions. Kusho insider engaphakathi. They want to ensure he's fully recovered and can still contribute significantly. Bafuna ukubona ukuthi umjida userecoverile yena use-right and angakwazi ukunikeza i-team something special. Siyamazi ukuthi Themba bafethu angimele size siyile nale umjida siyamazi. Une-quality. Bafana Bafana he's played very well kuyafona esiphuma kuyo. For me, he was one of the best players, ahead of Ronan Williams. For me, Themba Zwane wayedlala kamnandi kule AFCON esibuya kuyo. Uyena mjide ngimvumile kwi-Sundowns, ibhola adlalayo mfethu top notch. But ke uZwane meqhubeka ithole injury, i-Sundowns I don't think i-Sundowns izokwazi ukuyi-renew contract yakhe because they want to see Themba Zwane fully fit edlala. Baningi ama-games i-Sundowns ezoba nawo. Basazoya kwi-Club World Cup, basazoyidlala i-Nedbank semi-final, maybe a potential final. Basazowadlala nje ama-games kwi-Betway Premiership. So they need the quality njengoThemba Zwane. They need the quality njengoThemba Zwane. Asazi noma izo-renew i-contract noma ngezinye renew. Akhona ama-club ane-chance ukuthi amthole Themba Zwane. Kaizer Chiefs is on the top of the list yama-team ingenzeka amthole Themba Zwane because they have been linked with Themba Zwane for a long time. Maningi ama-reports ayesho in the past 3 seasons if I'm not mistaken link out Themba Zwane ne-Kaizer Chiefs. I-Kaizer Chiefs for me I think number 1 kuma-team engenzeka imthole because i-Kaizer Chiefs iyathanda futhi ama-free agents yabo, iyona team eyaziwa ngama-free agents. And uMjide na-35 nje angahamba ayoyitholela yabo i-paycheck ukuthi usezoretire, singisazi-ke phela. But wena ungangitshela ama-comments, iyiphi iclub ufuna ukumbona uThembazwane Mshishi eyidlalela yabo, mekwenzeka ehamba kuMamelodi Sundowns? Iyiphi iclub ufuna ukumbona eyidlalela?